Hello everyone. Today I have a lectures numbers 2 of halogenated hydrocarbons, and this is the topic the nucleophilic substitutions reactions. Now starts. The halogen atoms is a more electronegativity than the carbon atom. Consequently, the CX carbons halides bonds of alkyl halide is a polar in nature with partially negative charge on a halogen atom and partially positive charge on a carbon atom. Halides have a more electronegativity than carbon. That's why halogen have a negative charges and carbon have a positive charges. The main characteristics of reactions of alkyl halides is the nucleophilic substitutions reactions, in which the halogen atom is replaced by the varieties of nucleophilics. In this reaction, the CX bonds of the substrate molecules undergoes hydrolytic fusions, and the nucleophile utilizes an unsafe pair electron to form the bond and carbon atom. हाइड्रोलेटेड फ्यूजन्स का मीनिंग्स क्या होता है? हाइड्रोलेटेड फ्यूजन्स किस में होता है? Two different groups connected from the one bond, and that is this product is a fusions. This bond is a fusions. Two different products are connected by bond. This is a hydrolytic fusions. In this reactions, this is a nucleophile. This is a nucleophile. This is more electronegative. This is attacked from the back side, and the formation of this product, and this is leave from it. So here this is a nucleophilic substitution. How do nucleophilic substitution reactions react? How to attack it? Then first of all, in this lectures talk about the SN2 reactions, and the next lectures talk about the SN1 reaction. The mechanisms starts in SN2 reactions. SN2 the full form says SN2 का क्या होता है? Substitutions nucleophile biomoleculars. Alkyl hydrolysis of methyl bromides involves effective collision of methyl bromides and hydroxides ions. In the view of geometry, methyl bromides, it is likely that would be the attack by OH ion from backside and the sides opposite to the bulky bromide atom. Why the nucleophile is from the backside attack? Because halogen atom bromine is the electronegativity. This one is electronegative attack from the front side. This is negative charges. This is negative charges, and both are the same charges. That's why repellated. The more energy is required to the replace from BS. That's the attack from the back side. This is a nucleophile. OH is a nucleophile. This is methyl bromide. This is a transition stage. This is a one-step reaction. SN2 reaction is one-step reaction. The formations of transition stage, and this is also known as pentavalent. I talk about this. This is a transition partially bonded OH, partially bonded BS, and this is formation of methyl alcohol. When OH is approach methyl bromide molecules from the back sides and effective collisions with sufficient energies take place, CBS bond break releasing the bromide ions and new bond COH bond form systemized. In this systemized states, both are bonded from the carbons OH nucleophile, and this one is leave this carbon. So this is a systemized. The transition states can be viewed as one in which the carbon is partially bonded to the OH and Br, and then the CH bond is arranged. Likely the Spocking's wheels will COH and CBr lie along the axle. The mechanism in this arrangement with the second order kinetic energy and known as SN2 reaction. So this is the mechanisms how this is. Now it starts. This is the second order reactions, and therefore rate of hydrolysis in a methyl bromides is directly proportional to the concentration of methyl bromide and the nucleophile. In second order reactions, rate of reactions depend upon which substrate molecules and the attacking reagent. Both are depend upon this. The directly proportional to and K is the constant. So this is the both are dependent. Decreasing order of reactivity of alkyl halide in SN2. Alkyl halides in this decreasing order, alkyl halide the reactivity orders in SN2 reaction. Methyl halides, primary halide, secondary halide and tertiary halide. In the transition state, hydrogen ion has a brought electrons. Hydrogen ions brought electrons to the carbons, but at the same time bromide ions take away from the electrons, and the stability of transition states and the reactants would be affected almost the same extent by both electron releasing and electron withdrawing substitutions. Electronic factors have no sufficient effect on the rate of reaction in SN2. In SN2 reactions, electronic factors no effect. Rate of reactions in this rate of reactions mean no effects, electronic effects. This is the effect. Okay, how to electronic effect, yes या no. That's why हम लोग in SN2 reactions, this is the states. I will show you. This is a nucleophile attack from backside substrate, red determining state, and this is the pentavalent state. This is also known as transition state, and this is the formation of product. Now start the topics. This is also very important, very important. Point of exam point of view से very important. Energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. First of all, reactant react. This is the energy low. In this point, this is a transition, is the highest energies levels, and then the formation of product. This is the energy profile diagrams. Why backside attack? Why nucleophile? Why attack the backside? The backside attack by the nucleophile on the subtract molecules in SN2 reactions is due to the following reason. First reason, front side attacks of the nucleophile is discouraged due to the electrostatic repulsions between similar charge nucleophile and halogen atom of alkyl halides. This one back subtracts the nucleophile front side attacks. There is repelled to no reactions is not possible. Second reason क्या हो जाएगा? The orbital of nucleophiles containing the lone pairs started overlap with the empty anti-bonding orbital and carbon atom being the halogen atom. Third reasons. This is the third reason. The backside attack by the nucleophile on the subtract molecules in SN2 reaction requiring the minimum energy. In backside reactions, I give it to the minimum energy for reactions for reagent, but in the front side attack, more and more energy is given and no reactions is possible. That's why backside is attacked. How to stereochemistry of SN2? In SN2 reactions involve backside attack from the backside attack and the side directly opposite to the living groups by nucleophile. If the reaction centers of substrate molecules is called chiral center, and there is inversions of configuration. In SN2 reaction, inversion of configuration is an event from following example. This is a backside, this is a 2-degree carbon, and this one. So this is a inversions, R से S. In SN2 reactions, what is possible? Inversion is possible. In this lectures, talk about the SN2 reactions according to syllabus. I completed from the SN2 reaction. Next lectures, I talk about the SN1 reaction. So bye, thank you for some watching the videos for help in examinations.